2024 BMW X5 review, pricing and specs. What is new for 2024? BMW has sharpened the X5's exterior for 2024, including a revised front grille and bumper, new headlamps and tail lamps, and updated wheel designs. The top spec M60i model wears gloss black exterior accents, quad tailpipes, and an M logo in the grille. Both the turbocharged 3.0 liter inline 6 and the twin-turbo 4.4 liter V8 engines benefit from a new 48-volt hybrid system, and the six-cylinder has been massaged further to boost output to 375 horsepower, despite changing its name from M50i to M60i. The performance-oriented model's horsepower stays the same at 523 pounds. Last year's xDrive 45e plug-in hybrid variant has been replaced with a more powerful xDrive 50e, which offers 94 more horsepower and 10 more miles of electric-only driving range for 483 horsepower and 40 miles of EV driving. All X5s also receive a new curved infotainment display and BMW's latest iDrive 8 software interface. The X5 is also now available with the Highway Assistant hands-free driving feature that we first experienced in the new 7 Series flagship luxury sedan. Pricing and which one to buy. xDrive 40i $66,195, xDrive 40i $68,495, xDrive 50e $73,495, xDrive M60i $90,295. We love saving money almost as much as we love great performance, and that's why we think the xDrive 40i is the X5 to buy. It's got sport sedan acceleration, comes with all-wheel drive, and is a relative bargain in the pricey class. We would recommend adding the premium package for its head-up display, LED exterior lighting, remote engine start capability, and Harman Kardon stereo system. Engine and transmission and performance. The 2024 X5 is offered with one of the 3 distinct powertrains, each associated with a different model. X5s wearing the xDrive 40i or xDrive 40i badges are powered by a 375 HP turbocharged inline 6. The last time we tested an xDrive 40i, it made just 335 horsepower, but still managed a quick 4.8 second run to 60 mph, so we expect a little extra hustle from the more powerful version. The plug-in hybrid xDrive 40e comes with a turbocharged inline 6 and an electric motor that combine for 483 horsepower. Last but not least, the M60i's 523 HP twin-turbo V8 enables it to rush to 60 mph in 3.9 seconds. All 3 powertrains are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and none of them will leave drivers wanting for power in virtually any driving situation. The X5's refined ride and stable handling are hallmarks of this generation of BMW SUVs, as its steering, which feels connected and direct. The Audi Q7 still has the X5 beat in this area, but it's a close match. Pitch the X5 into a fast corner, and it holds on reliably and rewards the driver with a predictability that's missing from the Mercedes-Benz GLE class. Range and charging and battery life. The X-Drive 50e model comes standard with a 25.7 kWh battery pack that BMW says is good for up to 40 miles of electric-only driving. The X5 can use the battery to travel up to 84 mph without tapping the gasoline engine. The battery pack can be charged at home on 110 volt or 220 volt outlets or at public charging stations. Fuel economy and real world MPG. The EPA hasn't released the fuel economy estimates for the 2024 X5 yet, but last year's inline 6 variant was as efficient as a 4-cylinder Mercedes GLE class and a tad stingier than a 4-cylinder Q7. When we get a chance, we will take the 2024 X5 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route and update this video with its results. For more information about the X5's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior and comfort and cargo. Interior space is generous for adults in both the first and the second rows, but the X5's optional third row is for kids only once settled inside. Occupants are treated to a cabin lined with high-quality materials, plenty of charging points for devices, and depending on the options chosen, myriad luxury features. Power-adjustable front seats with memory for the driver are standard. All models come with a power-adjustable steering column, heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, a power rear liftgate, rain sensing, windshield wipers, and customizable ambient lighting, massaging seats, remote start, soft close doors, acoustic glass, a leather dashboard, and heated front armrests and steering wheel can make the X5 feel like a high-end luxury SUV, but add a lot of dot to the bottom line. Speaking of expensive options, buyers can add a Powers Wyconness surround sound audio system that features diamond domed tweeters. The X5 offered plentiful cargo space with the rear seats in use. We managed to fit 11 of our carry-on suitcases behind the second row of seats, with the rear seats folded, an operation that can be done from either the side or the rear of the SUV. We found room for 26 cases. The GLE class matched the X5's result in this test, case for case, but its rear seats aren't as easy to stow. Infotainment and connectivity. Upon entering the X5's cabin, you are met with a curved wall of display screens that span 2/3 of the dashboard. A 12.3-inch screen behind the wheel serves as a gauge display, while a larger 14.9-inch touchscreen provides access to BMW's iDrive 8 infotainment interface. Users can also control the system via a center console-mounted rotary knob. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as is a wireless smartphone charging pad and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety and driver assistance features. BMW offers basic driver assistance features as a standard, including automated emergency braking, but more advanced features such as a hands-free driving mode are optional. For more information about the X5's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode. Warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW matches its main rivals Mercedes-Benz and Audi with similar warranty coverage, but offers 3 years or 36,000 miles worth of complimentary scheduled maintenance to sweeten the deal. Volvo buyers also get such a benefit, while the Pike Enclave offers longer powertrain coverage. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more about all new cars. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Goodbye.